Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing access and environment so you can act immediately. Create or sign into your account, enable two-factor authentication, and grab an API token. Once done, install Python 3, 10 or newer, pip, and git, then create and activate a virtual environment. Make sure to export your API token as an environment variable so code can authenticate without hard coding. This gets you past setup hurdles and lets you run the first example without interruption. Now you deploy a working space, clone a template or repository, and pick the model type you need, such as text or image. Next, configure essential files, model card for metadata requirements, TXT for dependencies, and a Docker file only if you require custom containers. Once configured, commit and push to the remote repository. In the dashboard, enable the space, choose CPU or GPU runtime based on latency needs, and add any secrets or environment variables required for runtime. Finish by testing and monitoring so the space remains reliable in production. You should run interactive tests and unit tests to validate inputs, outputs, and edge cases. Make sure responses match expectations. Once live, monitor logs and usage metrics and watch quota or billing to avoid surprises. If problems arise, check the API token, dependency versions, and whether the selected runtime matches required GPU drivers. If latency spikes, scale the runtime or optimize the model.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.